Hola, muy buenos días. Soy Ruth, profesora de español, and I explore a new word every week. Have a look at some vocabulario connected with that on the Daily Word Builder. If you're new, please click subscribe so you get a notification to do un poquito de español every day. Hoy, la frase es por la noche. Now, prepositions are funny things. If you think about it, in English we have in the morning and at night. So, por la noche could mean in the evening or it could mean at night. Por ejemplo, vamos a bailar por la noche. In the evening we're going to dance. See, vamos a bailar por la noche. Or los búhos, the owls, los búhos salen por la noche. So that's them going out at night. The owls go out at night. Los búhos salen por la noche. And it could conceivably mean last night as well. Por ejemplo, ayer salí por la noche. Yesterday I went out at night. But for that you could use the word anoche, which is just one word and it means last night. Anoche salí. See? So you've got dos opciones. Ayer salí por la noche or anoche salí. Now, you could say that por la noche means overnight. Por ejemplo, acamparemos aquí por la noche. So we will camp here overnight. Acamparemos aquí por la noche. That could also mean for the night, couldn't it? But generalmente, when we're saying for the night, we're often going to use para la noche. Por ejemplo, ¿estás listo para la noche de tu vida? Are you ready for the night of your life? Isn't that a nice sentence? You could use that. ¿Estás listo para la noche de tu vida? Do you like it? Or maybe more normally, queremos una habitación para la noche. Right. Now that por para thing, that can get a bit confusing. My advice is don't worry about it. To get things perfecto takes a lot of exposure to Espanol, and if you hang yourself up on mistakes, then that can really slow you down. So just pick one, say it and move on, and make sure you get mucho Español en tu vida, so that gradualmente you start getting it right automáticamente. Come back tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Adiós.